Imagine a labyrinth shrouded in shadows, a place where the sun never shines. Welcome to the deep dark web. It's a part of the internet, vast and complex, that many aren't aware of. It's far from the familiar corners of the surface web, the one we access every day for our emails, social media, and news. The deep dark web is a whole new realm, a different universe that operates below the surface. Have you ever wondered about the size of the internet? The part we use daily, the surface web, is just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath it lies the deep web, a vast expanse that's approximately 500 times larger. And within this lies the dark web, the heart of the abyss, unseen and largely unknown. The deep dark web isn't indexed by search engines. It's a place where conventional browsers fear to tread. It's accessible only through special software that allows users to stay anonymous and untraceable. This anonymity is a double-edged sword. It's a sanctuary for those who seek privacy, away from the prying eyes of surveillance and data miners. But it's also a haven for those with malicious intent, where illegal activities can thrive in the shadows. Every day, millions of people use the deep dark web. Some are whistleblowers, journalists, and activists who rely on its obscurity for their safety. Others are hackers, criminals, and trolls who exploit its secrecy for their nefarious deeds. It's a world where the good and the bad coexist, hidden from the public eye. So, the deep dark web is a labyrinth of shadows, a place that's much larger than you might imagine. It's a world that operates in the shadows of the internet, providing a level of anonymity that can be used for both good and evil. It's a world that's far from the sunlit surface web we're accustomed to. So, ready to dive deeper into this labyrinth? Remember, it's not for the faint-hearted. You might ask, how does one navigate this labyrinth? Well, it's a journey that begins with a special key, the Tor browser. Picture a labyrinth of shadows, a maze of hidden passageways and secret corners. This is the deep dark web, a place that remains unseen to most. But to venture into this labyrinth, one needs a key, a special tool that can unlock the unseen. This tool is the Tor browser. You see, the Tor browser is not like your everyday internet explorer that takes you on a straight path to your destination. Instead, it takes you on a winding journey through a network of encrypted servers, bouncing your connection around the globe to mask your digital footprints. It's like a cloak of invisibility, making your internet journey indistinguishable from the crowd. And while Tor is the gatekeeper of the deep dark web, it's not the only tool you need for this journey. Think of it as your basic survival kit, your compass guiding you through the labyrinth. But to ensure your journey is secure and anonymous, you need additional layers of protection. That's where VPNs, or virtual private networks, come into play. A VPN acts like a secure tunnel, encrypting your data and hiding your IP address, making it even harder for anyone to track your online activities. And let's not forget PGP encryption, the final piece of our security puzzle. PGP, or Pretty Good Privacy, is a data encryption and decryption program that provides cryptographic privacy and authentication for data communication. It's like your personal, unbreakable code that keeps your communications secure and private. Together, these tools form the backbone of your deep, dark web exploration. They are your compass, your cloak, and your code, guiding you safely through the labyrinth of the unseen. Armed with these tools, you're one step closer to the unseen. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So, as we venture further into the shadows in our next segment, remember to tread carefully and use these tools wisely. Like any society, the deep dark web is not just black and white, it's a spectrum of gray. It's a realm that, much like our own, is teeming with an array of characters and intentions, each with their own unique motivations and actions. Let's take a moment to delve into the depths of this digital universe, to explore the good, the bad, and yes, the downright ugly. Now let's start with the good, a beacon of light in this shadowy world, if you will. The deep dark web serves as a platform for free speech, a haven where ideas can be exchanged without fear of censorship. It's a place where controversial topics can be discussed openly, and where whistleblowers can share information without fear of retribution. It is a bastion of privacy, a fortress where personal data is guarded with utmost care. But where there's light, shadows are bound to form. And these shadows often take the form of illegal activities. The deep dark web is infamous for being a hub of illicit trade, a marketplace for everything from stolen credit card details to illegal substances. It's a place where cybercriminals lurk, exploiting the anonymity it provides to carry out their nefarious deeds. And then we reach the ugly. The deep dark web isn't just a simple platform for trade or discussion, it's also home to dark markets. These are no ordinary markets, but rather, they're underground platforms where virtually anything can be bought or sold. From illicit weapons to sensitive data, these markets are a grim reminder of the potential dangers lurking within the digital abyss. Despite its shades of gray, the deep dark web is a reflection of our own society. It's a place where the noble coexist with the nefarious, where the freedom of speech mingles with the freedom to exploit. It's a world of paradoxes where the noble and the nefarious walk hand in hand. But remember, every choice has its consequence. The deep dark web might be a labyrinth, but every labyrinth has its exit. Just as Theseus navigated the Minotaur's maze with a simple thread, so too can you find your way through this digital labyrinth. But always remember, the rules of the real world apply even here. When exploring this vast, unseen territory, it's crucial to use safe practices. Guard your personal information as you would in any other online space. Just as you wouldn't give your bank details to a stranger on the street, don't share them here. Moreover, remember that the deep dark web isn't a lawless land. Ethical choices matter. Respect the law, and the law will respect you. In the end, the deep dark web is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how you wield it. So use it wisely, and remember, the shadows are always watching.